Hello everyone, today I am going to make chocolate and lace box at home. As we know, when we go to market and buy this box, it will be very costly, and even some of items we find of expiry date and some of them also we doesn't eat. So I am going to show you simple way to make this box. That we need a empty box. I have this wooden box at home, so I use this box. But it is not compulsory that you also have to use this box. You can use any other box. And transparent roll, simple tape. So take this transparent tape. I will use this if required. Scissor, dairy milk chocolate, use any other chocolates according to your flavor. Melody, Kit Kat, glue gun, lace, some colorful dry leaves for decoration. It is not compulsory, it's just choice. Nut, cake, yellow lace. You can use eatables as your wish. Now put your items inside the box and organize in a proper way so that more items can fit in the box. I am going to cut transparent sheet from the roll according to my requirement. Now cover the box with transparent sheet so that the lace or chocolates does not come outside of box. Now set net upon the box for decoration. Fix the bow with the help of glue gun. And your box is ready. Enjoy it. Give this box to your brother or sister and make her or his day special.